Hi guys, and welcome back to MDTB Life Coaching Podcast. Today's going to be a different podcast. We're going to be talking about mindfulness and the practice of mindfulness. So when you're ready, find a nice comfortable area. Could be a sofa, could be in your bed. Just start to relax. Make sure that all external noises are eliminated. Turn your phone off. Close the windows. Darken the room if possible. I want you to lay down or sit down. We're going to start by taking nice, deep, slow breaths. So in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. We're going to let our eyes gently close. And focus on your chest rising and falling. Bring your whole attention to your chest, rising as you inhale and falling as you exhale. Letting your arms relax. Feel contact with wherever you are, whether you're sitting on the sofa or laying on the bed or on the ground. Focus on the contact that your body has with that area. Now we're going to focus on the darkness behind your eyes. Pay full attention to the back of your eyelids. We're going to slowly work our way down our body. So allow your head to become heavy. Let it fall into wherever you are. Relaxing your neck and your shoulders. Let yourself sink into the bed or the sofa. Allow your arms to go floppy. There's no tension here. Working your way down to your tummy. Feeling you move as you inhale and exhale. Allowing your legs to become heavy. Relax your feet and toes. We're going to relax. Again, bringing your focus back to your breathing. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Now we're going to bring our focus back to that dark space behind our eyes. And we're going to allow thoughts to come and thoughts to go with no judgment. allowing whatever thoughts come into our head, focusing on where they're coming from. Focusing on whether they're coming from the back of our head, the front of our head, or in from the side. Letting these thoughts come into our head and leave our head. Like clouds passing us by. Using the phrase thank you and allowing the thoughts to leave again. Bringing your whole attention to those thoughts. Whether good or bad, there's no judgment here. Remind yourself that you're safe in this space and allow yourself to feel. Your body is now completely relaxed. Again, allow those thoughts to come into your mind and leave again with no judgment. Become aware of what sort of thoughts are coming in and leaving. Focusing on how they make you feel and allowing them to leave again. Grounding yourself to the right here, right now. Bring your attention back to your breathing. With your chest rising on inhale and falling on the exhale. Start with your feet again, making them move gently, moving your feet, waking them up again. Now bring your legs back and work your way up to your tummy and your hands. Feel yourself becoming connected again. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. And return to normal breathing. Feeling relaxed, feeling happy, and with no judgment. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you enjoyed a bit of mindfulness there. We'll be doing some more soon. Remember, if you did like it, head over to my page on Instagram, MDTV Life Coaching. You can find lots of resources there.